Welcome back to Jack and Rob, and this is our friend Hannah.
So today, or this weekend, we are going camping. We finally made it here. It took us a little bit longer than expected.
Well, first of all, it's a 3-hour drive to get here, and we used somebody else's GPS.
It was supposed to be like 20 minutes faster, but we ended up on a gravel highway and my car is no longer black. And
so we backtracked to a paved road, and then it was raining, and now it's sunny. And then also when we got to our first campsite, we realized we booked a trailer site rather than a tenting site.
It was like a long driveway, all on rocks.
Yeah, so we went to the head place and then we got switched to a campsite for us in our tents. And then also we got a little bit more of a delay because somebody forgot their wallet.
Someone lost their wallet.
Me. And it took me an hour to find it. Well, it took an hour for Jacqueline to find it. I actually filmed some of that, so we might insert that now when I was hella mad. Okay, we're off to a rocky start because we literally just spent 45 minutes searching. An hour searching for my wallet. I packed it inside the softball glove in a bag, tucked it, zipped the bag up, put it in Jacqueline's
in the back
car
of my trunk
with everything else on top of it, and we just tore the house apart. Found my wallet. Jacqueline found it.
I looked in the toolbox. Why would I want?
We looked everywhere. So my stress level and I'm in a mood right now, but it's okay because we're picking up Hannah and it's gonna be a good ass weekend. Anyways, thanks for Jacqueline.
And it's raining anyways.
Yeah,
so
what's our luck with raining when it's camping?
Sunny all weekend.
It was supposed to be sunny again. I don't know if you guys watched our last video. It downpoured on us. Downpoured on us. Okay, we're gonna vlog when I'm in a better mood. Bye.
Bye. And now we're gonna set up. Round 2 of setting up quicker than Rob. This time we have electrical camping.
Hi guys, so yesterday we did not close off the vlog, but we just mainly went to the pier and then hung out at the campsite, made some hot dogs, and just enjoyed each other's company. This morning we just woke up and we got some iced coffees.
And the essential.
And the essential.
Ketchup.
Beautiful. We're about to make breakfast and then we're gonna have a good day, go for a cruise, a beach day, and see what happens.
floor singing, give me love and give me life. And the DJ spinning, everybody out on the dance floor singing, hey oh, way oh. Some of them makes me feel alright. These are the best years of my life. Hey oh.
Oh, it's on fire. Oh, fuck.
Okay, so it's day 3 of camping today. Yesterday was pretty busy. We did a lot of activities. So today we're just gonna hang out at the beach and then go home.
Good enough. Yeah. Great. Beautiful.
Singing, give me love and give me life. And the DJ spinning, everybody out on the dance floor singing, hey oh, way oh. Some of them makes me feel alright. These are the best years of my life. Hey oh, way oh.
Now I'm shy. Oh, I'm shy. Oh, so cute. I recorded the ground. Oh, Jacqueline. Jacqueline.
Drop it. Okay, I'm on a mission. There's a lot of seaweed out here.
I think we can see you. Hilarious. Every single one of Jacqueline's things she records. Zoom, 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 zoom. I did it. I'm proud. So shaky, so shaky, so shaky, so shaky. Looks like a log.
We should have just gone and bought a thing of fire, but that's okay.
Bought a thing of fire. Are you recording? Yes.
Like that.
Anyway, sorry. I'm pausing it.